may have fine bucket over the fine bucket there and that one. There you go. You bring you steady. Aim for the white. I feel like it's aim for how you want. Don't ain't doing it.
She told me to leave in. I definitely missed that. I did.
But you see where you went. But you see where it went though. You know what I'm saying?
Me.
You see where it went.
Well, one of them went to number 7. The second one I did just missed. But I need to work on looking down the sight. I need to work on looking down the sight. See, like cross-eyed. I get hella cross-eyed.
You close one eye.
No. I
Close your eye. You practicing closing your eye when you do it. That's why you're not hitting what you're trying to.
I don't close my eyes. What are you talking about?
You gotta practice closing one eye.
Oh.
You specifically aiming for a certain spot, you gotta specifically close one eye.
All right.
So yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna aim for the white. Aim for the white. Shoot on my new build. Get it in. Slap it. Look for it.
On that side?
All in pink. That's lined up.
So when the mag is empty because it'll back like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Lead to ask you if you want to take this break. Your turn. You two again. Everybody's okay. Hey, don't worry about this. You got. Don't worry about. All right.
Did you like the revolver? I did. It's so light and just easy. Okay. All right. It's 2.
Yo. How you want? Remember, close one eye. Close one eye. But you know you're gonna aim. Look down. Look at that middle edge. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see when you watch it.
I just pressed the trigger and it didn't go. I don't know why the heck it does that every time.
It's not always you.
I didn't strike, so I have to do it heck hard.
No.
I don't. That's the thing. I don't want to break.
You're not gonna break the gun.
The slider.
You're not gonna break the gun.
Trust
me. Trust me. You're not gonna break the gun.
I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna do a good rack. Okay. Sorry. I always like to do my check.
Point it.
And put it with the trigger, so I'm not gonna check it.
Aim it how you want to. Don't flinch. That one was good. That one was good.
Oh.
Time's expired.
Oh.
How much more you guys got? I mean, you're just trying to finish that one box right there? Or?
Nah. Let me shoot like 5 of those.
Okay.
Range if you get an extra 10 minutes on lane 13, please.
I'll let you have your fun. I just want to watch me through revolvers. I don't know if it's the standard that pump out. I don't know why that's intimidating me.
You're not used to it.
That's It's so weird. No, the blue one. I think it's so thin. Like it just doesn't feel safe anymore. Wow, somebody is using pasta.
Yeah, it's time for 7.
You like 10 minutes.
I know. I appreciate that though.
You gonna change it?
I'm keeping it the same one.
Yeah, I guess that's safe. Just,
Yeah, you ready to go eat? We're gonna go to the house and eat.
you wanna go out take away? You know, there's that silver house.
Yeah, you said you wanted to.
This is a full experience. Not
I told you. It's a lot of learning. It's a lot of learning you pick up on.
no research on the component of them, especially before I go back to the profile. I don't want you to be in there asking.
I got you. You know what I'm saying?
I'll step out real quick. I'm in my ear. Some relief.
All right. She pretty. Oh, she pretty. Ooh, ooh. That's the shell cases. I love this one. I love this.
And what caliber bullets is that one?
38.
Oh,
Yeah. Slap her in. Now back. Look for the aim. She's skinny. Look for the aim. Aim for the white. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
that one doesn't have a load gate.
What you talking about?
A load gate.
It's, the mag is what you put it straight in. It's not. It's made. Yeah. This one different. This one different from this one.
Yeah. Is that one the
Yeah, look. Check this out. Those aren't for. Oh God. That motherfucker sexy. That bitch sexy. That's the shell cases.
or new?
No, they both old school.
Okay, but which one's newer?
Oh, this one. Yeah. It's a bigger caliber. I'm gonna shoot 5 more and that's it. Let's start with getting out paper. Ooh, that's some big holes. Mm-hmm. Oh, sis. Look at it. Yeah, she tried sis. Oh, gotcha. All right. Ooh, dropping, baby. Oh, I love to hear that. Hey, hey, it's lit. Look, break it in. Look.
Well, it's like just as interesting as getting into the cars for real.
Mhm.
Especially learning how like all these different like the low gate and all that.
Can line it up. See that? That's how you line it up. It's already too far, man. You good? But stop.
Give them their little their little clip.
And that's it, y'all. We shot everything. Back it on up.
Hey, now you got